Respected my class in charge and my dear friend, a very great morning to all of you. Myself Durga from proud 9th grade in Sunrise Foundation School. Today I am here to give brief description on my topic Chandrasekhar Azad. So let's start friends. Friends, do you know who was Chandrasekhar Azad? Chandrasekhar Azad was a freedom fighter. He was an intelligent revolutionist. Chandrasekhar Azad was born on 23rd July 1906. His father name is Sitaram Tiwari and mother is Jagrani Devi. He belongs from a Brahmin family. He was very intelligent in study, so he left his house at the age of 13 to study in Banaras. He studied there in a school known as Kashi Vidyapit Vidyalaya. It was the most popular and important school of Banaras. Chandrasekhar is very intelligent and got the admission in the Kashi Vidyapit Vidyalaya. Chandrasekhar Azad got many friends there, but he was greatly impressed by his one of the friends known as Manmad. Chandrasekhar Azad impressed by Manmad because Manmad used to do andolans against British, and Chandrasekhar Azad is also involved in the freedom of the India. He had interest to freedom the India. Chandrasekhar Azad also joined Manmad and they start doing andolans together. For this act, Chandrasekhar Azad get the punishment of 20 sticks. After that, Chandrasekhar Azad's friends call him Azad. From that day, we known as him Chandrasekhar Azad. After few days, Chandrasekhar Azad joined HRA. HRA means Hindustan Revolution Association. Before the one day of HRA joinable, so Chandrasekhar Azad meets the leader of the HRA who was Ram Prasad Bismil. Chandrasekhar Azad was impressed by Ram Prasad Bismil and Ram Prasad Bismil also impressed by Chandrasekhar's behavior. He asked to Chandrasekhar Azad to join HRA and Chandrasekhar Azad is ready to join HRA because he wants to give freedom to the India. So he joins HRA and became a popular and the important member of the HRA. He had given a promise to Ram Prasad Bismil that he was Azad, he is Azad and he always be Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad tells that he will never caught by any British officer and any British army. Chandrasekhar Azad, after the death of the Ram Prasad Bismil, was mentally disturbed. He was mentally disturbed and take a decision to leave HRA. After that, Chandrasekhar Azad wants to leave HRA, but his friends Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru was not able to leave the HRA. They said to Chandrasekhar Azad, "You are the leader of the HRA. Why you are leaving the HRA?" Chandrasekhar Azad take his decision back and tell that he will live in the HRA, and he become the leader of the HRA and change the name of HSRA. In the 1928, Chandrasekhar Azad also does the robberies for the fund of the HSRA. They are also involved in Kakori train robbery, known as Kakori Kand in Indian history. Chandrasekhar Azad does robberies for the HRA and they have got weapons for against the British. So Chandrasekhar Azad, after the death of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, Chandrasekhar Azad was sitting in the Alfred Park in Allahabad. Chandrasekhar Azad was sitting because he was mentally disturbed after the death of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Chandrasekhar Azad said to Sukhdev Raj that he was greatly mentally disturbed, so he let him alone. But Sukhdev Raj noticed that Chandrasekhar was surrounded by all the direction by the British army. British army surrounded him from all the direction because the information given by a country territor known as Veerbhadra. Veerbhadra was a country territor who tell all the decisions of the HRA to the British that they are going to do this and they are going to do this. Chandrasekhar Azad killed 4 British officers and shoot John Not Babur at his hand. Chandrasekhar Azad shoot himself because he had given promise to the Ram Prasad Bismil that he was Azad, he is Azad and he always be Azad. He have always one bullet in his pocket that he want to kill himself if any British army or British officer caught him. Chandrasekhar Azad died on 23rd February 1931. So, a slogan given by Chandrasekhar Azad is that अब भी जिसका खून न खोला वो खून नहीं वो पानी है जो देश के काम ना आए वो बेकार जवानी है. Thank you, have a nice day.